Hi guys, it's a Look Fantastic Beauty Box Day. My name's Fawn, this is my channel and I try to make it a happy place. It's full of lovely people and lots of me chuntering, talking nonsense and mostly shopping and unboxing. So if you like that kind of thing, then please do push that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. The thumbs up seem to be really important, but subscribers too. It's all important. Anyway, do all of that and leave me a comment. Okay, so I have opened the outer box, but here is the Look Fantastic for this month. So I'm just going to get it out. Normally I forget that there is a box within the box. Very pretty shade of blue, don't you think? Oh, it's upside down. I do that all the time. Very pretty box. And open it up and we have various leaflets inside. Oh, I've had this one before. This is the Look Fantastic Foundation Finder app. This one says MAC on it. Inside it says relax, dream, enjoy. Then I have a booklet, thank goodness, because you know me, not very good. And then look how pretty that is. I love me a bit of purple and lilac and lavender, favourite colours. My bedroom was that kind of colour. But because of the way the sun moves around the house, it made the bedroom really gloomy and it was a bit sort of cave-like, which was really disappointing. Anyway, not that you care. So let's have a look. Ooh, there's some nice things in here. What's in the box? It says, first up is a glow wrap. It's a soft hair wrap in white. They say it's worth $14.99. I'm saying glow. It's glove, or yeah, glove I suppose, without the E. G-L-O-V. $14.99. Suitable for all hair types. Tilt your hair back, apply hair up. You know, it's a hair wrap. What's it made out of? Is it a microfiber? Sometimes they're microfiber. I don't know about you, but microfiber can sometimes sort of put my teeth on edge, a bit like cotton wool. Let's have a look. Oh no, that's nice. That's quite, yes, it's quite, I'm at a spa. Happy to have anything like that that stops me rubbing my hair, because apparently that's a big no-no if you're trying to do something with your hair. And as you know, I am. Okay, then there is something by someone called E-Cooking. It's an overnight foot cream. Again, can't really go wrong with a foot cream, can you? This one is worth £8.10. And it says it works its magic while you're sleeping. It removes dead skin and moisturises all at once with a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin. For maximum effectiveness, apply and cover with socks. I can't do that. I can do that, like if I'm sitting watching the telly, I'll put a really good foot cream on and put some socks on. But when I go to bed, I cannot have socks on my feet. A, I get too hot, and B, it just feels wrong. It disturbs me while I'm sleeping. I know, I'm not a bod. Right, next. Ooh, now I've been excited about this. It's the By Terry. Remember we had a sneak peek that there was going to be a By Terry product this month? And this is the Balm de Rose Flaconnette worth £14. It's the lip balm. Now I got the lip balm in a different box. It was the tiny little one. This one is in a screw with a screw, you know, is in a tube with a doe foot. I've got lippy on, but oh gosh, it really does smell of rose. I'm not going to put it on because I'll discolour it, but it smells of roses. It looks lovely. The value of this one is, as I say, £14. I think I already said that. I'm quite thrilled. It's my second By Terry product, but it's the same thing. The other one I had to put my finger in and rub, whereas this one is in a more liquid form. But come on, I want some more By Terrys. I'm, yeah, happy to have it. Next up is the Star Skin Eye Catcher Smoothing Bio Cellulose Second Skin Mask. It's quite a mouthful. It's an eye mask, which I love. I love an eye mask. I mean, look, they're dreadful. So I'm really happy to try that. And it was one of two. You could also have got the Beauty Pro Eye Therapy Under Eye Mask. So if I show you in here, I got the red one and I could have got the blue one. That was fine by me. £4.25. So yeah, happy with that. Oh gosh, I must stop saying it. Then I have got an Earl Grey bath tea by Bubblette. Bubblette? Yeah, Bubblette. Earl Grey bath tea. 100 grams. Let's have a look, see what it says. It's worth $5.99. This innovative bath product provides a delicious scent when dropped into warm running water and is formulated to relieve any aches and pains for the ultimate relaxing treat. I don't really fancy the idea of a tea one. I mean, I can't imagine, do you think it would smell like tea? I can't smell anything through it, unlike that rose one that I could smell through. It says, after a long day, fill your tub with a delicious, sweet citrus aroma of this quintessentially British tea. Yeah, don't think it's for me. I think that one's going to go in a giveaway box. And last but by no means least is a Balance Me. We get a lot of Balance Me products, don't we? Balance Me, this one is the Bakuchiol Serum. Bakuchiol, a smoothing serum. It's 100% natural plant-based retinol alternative, providing all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. The result, smoother skin, texture, enhanced collagen production, and the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Massage one pump over cleansed skin. And they're saying it's worth £11. It's a little 7ml bottle. So there we go. An empty box. So we had the retinol cream, the bubble tea bath salts, the eye catcher eye mask, under eye mask, the e-cooking foot mask, the By Terry lip balm, which I'm pleased with, and the glove hair towel turban. So that's a lot in there, isn't it? I mean, no one could complain about that, could they? I think it's really, really great value for money. And some really interesting products, some of them high-end, and some of them just wacky. So I still can't get over putting tea in your bath. Anyway, that's it from me. That was Look Fantastic for the month. The booklet has lots more information in it about By Terry, about Balance Me, about the benefit of lavender, a spa. We didn't have anything from a spa, but I do like a spa products, I must admit. And then a gift guide of all the things they're going to bring out for Christmas that you can buy. And the upcoming collaborations are with the Inky List and with Elizabeth Arden. So, oh, and the book smells lovely because it's been in with all those things. So it's a really useful leaflet as well as explaining what the products are. So there we go, I'll stop rambling and I'll get off now. It's a beautiful day here, but every 2 minutes the heavens open and it thunders down. So I'm not getting as much done today as I should, really. I'm feeling kind of about the whole situation. Anyway, I'm off. I hope you're well, and wherever you are, you're not getting rained on too much, that you're getting the sun shining on you. Okay. Bye, guys.